Resource pool. A resource pool centralizes resource information, or it is a pool of resources, and hence the name you have resource pool. To have an analogy, let's take an example of carpooling. In a big city like Bangalore city, or you are say in Tokyo, or let us say you are in Amsterdam or New York City, so there may be a pool of cars, and the car provider, the service provider, as in when you make a call, they will call a car or a service taxi driver from a pool of cars which is nearby to your location, and immediately they will assign you to that car. Resource pool pretty much does the same thing. It has a pool of resources, and it has a centralized information with respect to all the resources. It has the resource name, the units, the calendar used, and the cost rate tables. It enables to work smoothly with multiple set of project files with a central resource repository. Each project that uses the resources from the resource pool is known as the sharer file. So what we have is basically a pool of resources, and we have many projects which are connected to this pool of resources. As and when a project is needing a resource, it can be a work resource or a material resource, or can be a cost resource. That resource will be taken from the pool of resources, and the same resource also can be used by another project. Now, because all the information is centralized on the resource pool, if there is a conflict between a resource being used in one project or in another project, then that information will be available in the pool, and also it will be available to the project which are trying to use that particular resource. Each project that is using that resource from the resource pool is called as the sharer file, and this sharer file is linked to the resource pool.